How to make Butter Chakali recipe at home, very easy. Butter, split chickpeas, gram flour, rice flour, cumin, red chili powder, ajwain. First powder it separately in mixer, now keep it aside. Rice flour, 2 cups. Gram flour, 2 cup. Now add split chickpeas powder, putani powder, turmeric powder, red chili powder, cumin, ajwain, salt, butter, mix it now. Add some hot water. Mix it very well. Add as much water as you need. Now the chakli dough is ready. I put oil in a pot. Put the dough into the chakli maker. Now leave it in the oil like this. Remove it when the color changes. After boiling, the foam will reduce. Butter chakli is ready to eat. If you like this recipe, please like the page and subscribe. Thank you for watching.